Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jio Wi-Fi. First, ensure you have an active Jio SIM card with a valid data plan. You'll need to activate data services on your SIM to access the internet. Then, we'll explore the various methods for connecting to Jio's extensive Wi-Fi network, whether through a personal device or public hotspots. This will help you stay connected seamlessly. To connect to your personal JioFi device, begin by powering it on and noting the network name, often called the SSID, and its password, usually found on a sticker. Next, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and select your JioFi network. Enter the password, and you should be connected, ready to enjoy high-speed internet using your existing Jio data plan. For public Jio net hotspots, first locate an available hotspot in your vicinity. On your smartphone or laptop, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and select the network named JioNet. Once connected, a browser window will typically open, prompting you to enter your 10-digit Jio mobile number. You will then receive a one-time password via SMS to authenticate your connection and begin browsing. If you encounter any issues, always start by checking your Jio data balance and plan validity to ensure you have active service. A simple restart of your JioFi device or your connecting device can often resolve minor connectivity problems. Also, confirm that your device's Wi-Fi is enabled and that its software is up to date for the best possible performance and a smooth internet experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.